In this video, I'm going to show you how to add data in ArcMap. When we open ArcMap for first time, it says untitled ArcMap on the top. And here is open existing map or make a new map using template layer. And we have no previous work or previous map, or we are not going to use template. So we have to close this one by using this button, or we can use here. And then we have to differentiate the interface of ArcMap. The first row is main menu. This row is main menu. The second row is standard toolbar. The third one, this row is called as tools. And this part, the left, table of contents, or we can say data layers. If we don't get this one, we can find here from Windows, here table of contents. If we miss this one, we can add here from here. And this is map display, or we can call it as map canvas. And this part is called view toolbar. And the right side, we can find here this one, Arc Toolbox, Arc Catalog, and search button. Now, by using three ways of adding data in ArcMap, we can add data from the folder where we have saved. For now, the first step let's start from file. From file, we can, if we want to save our project, you can use here save or save as, or we can use save a copy. And we have to add data from here. So you will get this data also from your Google Drive. I have attached the link, and you have to find where you have saved your data. For my case, I have saved my data in desktop. From desktop, it says ArcGIS data 2. From ArcGIS data 2, I have to select training data, and I can add vector data. So from vector data, from vector data, there are three features. One is polygon. They are also visible here. Polygons are different from line and from the point. Now I can add polygon. Okay, it has added already. Now I can repeat to add the remaining features. I can add road, or I can select all and I can add. And again, I can repeat to add point data. Here, this is point data. Yeah, we have added. This is the first step. Second step is by using the standard toolbar. From standard toolbar, I can add here. I can repeat the steps. This is the same almost from file or from the step 1. With step 1, it's almost the same. And third step is from the catalog. Let's go to catalog. Then I have to expand this one. Don't forget to connect your data by using this one. Connect to your folder. I have already connected. Let's add from desktop. From desktop, I have to select ArcGIS data 2, and I have to expand training data, vector data. I can do drag and drop. Again, drag and drop. So here, road 2, and point data. So in this way, I can add in the 3-way. Okay, I can add also in the same way the raster data. Raster data, I have to find from the raster data here DM, add DM. Okay, it has added. And I can also add from here. Okay, I can do the same step from catalog. Now drag and drop. Here elevation is 3. So we have seen 3 ways of adding GIS data in ArcMap. And the next video will do how to process, especially job processing tool from main menu, how to buffer, how to clip, how to intersect, how to union, how to merge and dissolve. These steps will be in the next video. Thank you very much. Don't forget subscribing my YouTube channel.